here super quick and say Happy Earth Day. And to celebrate, I wanted to tell you guys about this super cool brand that I recently came across that makes reusable shopping bags that are totally changing the grocery shopping game. And believe me, I know you can get reusable bags anywhere, but these ones are a real game changer because not only are they reusable, reducing plastic waste, you know, beneficial for the environment, but they're also making grocery shopping way easier. Yeah, I like grocery shopping, but I don't like packing and unpacking groceries. These bags are a total game changer. They make things way easier because they open up right into your grocery cart. There are 4 bags in here that are, like, you could probably tell they're pretty decent size. They fit across the width of a grocery shopping cart, which is amazing. So they're a decent size. There's 4 of them in here. They roll up amazing, like just super nice like this, so you can store them anywhere, which I personally love. I live in a small apartment. I don't have room to store hundreds of reusable bags or like big clunky things, so I love that these just roll up and they're super easy to go. Again, pretty decent size. As you can tell, they're also pretty deep, and there's 4 different sizes. There's the purple one is the biggest one, and then this brown one is the smallest. So what I really love is that they're all connected. So literally when you're in the grocery store, you just open them and you lay them in your shopping cart like this. So you can take the rods off if you don't want to use them in a grocery cart. Anyway, this is the smallest bag, and I mean, as you can see, it's a pretty decent size. You can fit a lot in there. Again, I'll post pictures of everything I had in mine, and then I can just Velcro back up, attach them all together. So this blue one is actually a cooler bag, so think like frozen things like ice cream and whatnot, you can put in here, and then if you're not going home right away, you don't have to worry about it thawing out. So that's super nice. I love that they have this and thought of this, because oftentimes when I go grocery shopping, I'm not always going home right away, or I like schedule my day around going home right away because I have frozen stuff. So the cooler bag is really nice. Again, like massive size. Like I would never fill all of this with cool stuff. There's no way. And then the purple bag, which is freaking ginormous, is maybe my second favorite because of all the cool pockets in it. So this purple bag has this pocket right here, and then 2 sleeves here, which are perfect for wine. And then when you get home, it's really simple to just take everything out, put them back in, and then roll them back up. Boom. Again, it's just like this, super easy, super simple, really sturdy, and yeah, I love these. I love the pockets, the rods, the cooler bag. I think they're just a really unique concept. Again, like I think frankly the environmental benefits are just an added bonus because these are just super functional and help you organize your grocery shopping. Even if you don't care about the environment, even if you're not an environmentalist, you'll definitely love these just because of how easy they make going to the grocery store. Thanks for watching.